Kia ora. My name is Greg Barclay and I am the Chief Operating Officer for Gallagher Security. And I'd like to take you on a journey to share the amazing things happening here in Hamilton, New Zealand, to explain your product's journey, to provide insight to the brilliant people behind the scenes, and to share some secrets of the Gallagher success. If you come to New Zealand, look me up so you can experience a truly vertical, integrated manufacturing and engineering powerhouse. On the Gallagher site, we design, engineer, manufacture, distribute, support and service our security hardware and software. The site here in Hamilton is continuously growing to meet global demand. Electronic components and raw materials such as blank PCBs, bare steel and polymer pellets feed into on-site tool design and manufacture, plastic injection molding, SMT manufacture, passing through world-class lean manufacturing cells, and workstations with ingenious testing and automations, through to finished goods. Finally, those finished goods are distributed from Hamilton, New Zealand to the global Gallagher warehouse network and onto you, our customers. We pride ourselves across the globe on next day delivery of over 95% of your purchase orders. In fact, multi-million-dollar orders will ship the very next day. The successful Gallagher Delivery Model ensures we can continue to supply solutions to protect what matters most, now and into the future.